For light-duty projects where discrete channel drainage is required, you can't beat this Brickslot B125 drainage system from ACO. Manufactured using Viennite, ACO's high-strength, recycled polymer concrete material, it is perfect for vehicle traffic up to low-class B125. But let's learn some more from Katie in the ACO Academy.
The features and benefits of RainDrain Brickslot B125 include CE marked and fully certified to load class B125. Channel shape anchors product into concrete surround. Manufactured from recycled material. Ideal for use with block paving up to 60 mm. Discreet 10 mm inlet slot. Knockout for connection to 110 mm PVC-U pipe. Channels interlock for quick and easy installation. Applications include driveways, small private car parks, block paving.
The channel has an offset slotted grating, so it's ideal for block paving. And the accessories are designed to make installation quick and easy.
Find out more at aco.co.uk.